Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 13F, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down again and go to the this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on the ringtone at the top. So here we've got the sections from which we can choose the ringtone from. Here we've got those pre-installed options and the custom, which means that if you've got something downloaded, you can simply enter this section and choose it and set it as your ringtone. I will choose something from the system one, so let me choose maybe nature, and as you can see, after tapping on it will be transferred to more options, and all we have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So meditation, let me volume it down, definitely. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on the specific ringtone and listen whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this sunset to be set as my ringtone. So all you have to do is to make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified here and also here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.